What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today is the day we've all been waiting for. We're going to review our Jeep, aka Rubi 2.0. So this is it. It's a 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Just a quick walk around the outside. So this is a Rubicon. It has a 3.5 inch rough country lift on it. We have 33 by 1250 20s on it with the Federal tires. Up front we have the cube lights. We also have a 52-inch light bar with an arrow port to help with the wind noise. We have the aftermarket bumper with the cube lights that turn green. These actually turn green here. And we have the tow hooks on it. We also have the dual stabilizer underneath there to go along with the lift. On the inside, it's nothing fancy. We have the aftermarket grab bars here, along with the stock grab bars. And then these are the ones that are in the back, for the back seat. We do have, so getting back to our switches up here, you have your light bar, which is the 50-inch or 52-inch that's out here up top. We'll have our cubes, which are right here, our cubes on the windshield. We have our light bar for the other cubes because we have 4 of them. We have something for bumper lights should we decide to put a light bar on the bumper. We have a winch, so if we decide when we add our winch, we'll actually be able to go ahead and put that on, as you can see. And then we have our Sasquatch lights, so in case we wanted to add something that's super bright, we could do that. So these are universal. These actually pop off and you can put different ones on for different things. So I think we're good, and you can see our voltage is good at 14.1, so it's pretty easy. There's a box underneath the dash, or the, should I say, the underneath the hood. This is the box right here that goes to that light switch, and these are all your relays, and this is where you connect all your wires in, right here. And then here is all your fuses. I have something similar to this on my Slingshot and in my truck, but over there we have the aux beam version of this. So I'll link that aux beam down in the description for those. Rough country, I'll link that description down there also, and anything else that we have. So just wanted to show you that real quick, so while this was updating. We also installed a mount for our phone so we can keep it charged. We also have a mount for a tablet right here, just in case. It has the stock radio in it with the nav and all that good stuff, and Sirius XM. Here are your switches, auto up or auto down, should I say, for the front. It has AC, regular. It's not dual climate or nothing like that. You have your traction control down here. You have your 110 plug, your hazard lights, and your 110 plug is located right here. We do have an aftermarket mirror that has a backup camera in it because this Jeep doesn't have a backup camera, so I had to put one in here. So this is the mirror for the backup camera, and then once you actually put it in reverse, the actual grid lines will pop up just like that. It also is a dash cam, so if you swipe it, you'll be able to see out the front. So it records and all that good stuff. It does have cruise control. We have 83,000 miles. Not sure if y'all can see that, but it does have 83,000 miles. It is a 6-speed, so good luck trying to steal it if you can't drive a stick. 4-wheel drive. We'll take a quick look at the back. Here's the back. This is where my daughter hangs out most of the time. Again, here's your grab bar. It does have the Freedom tops, which are kind of like the T-tops. You can take these off and keep the back on, or you can take the whole thing off. We normally don't do that until the summertime. And here in Oklahoma, it gets extremely hot, so we don't take it off that too often because we like AC. So it is what it is. You have the neoprene seats that's supposed to resist water and getting wet and all that good stuff. It does have the Jeep floor mats in it. Looks like tire treads. Going around back, or actually back up front, the headlights actually change colors just like these cubes do. So those will turn green also. It has the LED turn signals in it. We have our LED tail lights. We have a full-size 20-inch spare. And these are the wheels. There are ballistic off-road wheels. We do have a actual third brake light that's inside of the wheel. Here's our camera for our mirror. It does have the tow package. Let's open up the back. In here, we do have a Q-bomb box with 2 SCAR DDX 10s in it, and we have a 1,000-watt Kenwood amp that sits behind it. Again, this is nothing real fancy. It's my wife's daily driver. She seems to love it, so I guess it'll be on the channel for a while as we do some more things to it and get it going. So now that we completed everything in this stable and out here in the pasture, wink wink, we'll be going over to the other stable and reviewing some of those vehicles that's inside of there. But before we do that, we got to do something with this gate. It's just looking like crap, and you know I can't have that, so we definitely got to fix that. But if you want to know anything about the Jeep or what we've done to it, some of the modifications, I'll try to link a playlist to it at the very end of the video. That way you can go see all the different things that we've done along the way to it, and more to follow, because it definitely is time to get some more something. We shall see. As always, thank you for subscribing. Please like, comment, and hit the bell. Till next one, peace.